So when you think of ceramic coatings, some people don't know what they are, some people are afraid of them, some people have tried them and failed already. They're complex. But what if you had something that was simplified? What if you had something that you could simply have one bottle that coats everything? Ceramic spray coating is a 9H sprayable coating. It's not a ceramic detailer, it's not a silica spray sealant, it's not anything that's mixed 90% with water. This is an actual, true ceramic coating. Now, instead of having a small applicator in a 50 ml bottle, you have a 16-ounce bottle that you can spray it directly into whatever towel you please, but it's the easiest coating ever. Ceramic spray coating can be used as a topper for your current coating, or you could use it as a standalone. A lot of people want the highest gloss imaginable. Spray it on the towel, start to wipe down that hood right there, and it will immediately start to flash on the surface. Spray it on your windows, give it 1 to 2 minutes to rainbow over and start to cure, buff it off with a towel, boom, it's ceramic coated. If you have a bed liner, clean it thoroughly, prep it, spray this on the surface. As soon as you start to wipe it, it's going to notice an immediate color change and provide you with water beading effects that are going to blow your mind. A lot of the times you see ceramic coatings have to be installed by a professional installer or a dealer of the product. We bridge the gap between professional installation and a weekend hobbyist. If you're a professional, you could top your clients' cars with this product easily in minutes. If you're a weekend hobbyist, you can now have the ceramic coating protection that you've been reading and raving about all this time in minutes as well. We made it simple. We took all the headache out of ceramic coatings and made it easy for you guys. Now, like anything, the first thing you're gonna do is crack open this bottle and see what it smells like. Don't. There's a reason it gets shipped with a childproof cap on there. You do not want to smell this stuff. We spent a lot of time developing this product and perfecting it for you, the consumer, the professional, the weekend hobbyist. Whomever you are, this product is ideal for you. We've done a lot of work to make sure that the process is perfected, and we're excited to see your results. So grab your bottle today, get to coating.